Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to look at Estetica Designs JONES in the fun color Icy Shadow. This wig was provided to me for review from Wig Studio One, so be sure to go over to Wig Studio One and have a look at this fun style. Let's get to it and look at JONES. Okay, like I said, this is JONES. The color is Icy Shadow. I am so excited that Estetica Designs is now bringing these coffee house colors to more of their styles. So I know it's going to be available in JONES and also Reeves. So keep an eye out. Hopefully they'll bring it to some more of their styles. So let's look at JONES. Fun, spiky, messy. This is what it is. Don't try to tame this. Just let it be fun. Let it be messy. Lots and lots and lots of layers here. Lots of textured ends, as you can see. Very textured all the way down. Now, the bangs on this are too long for me, so I will definitely be trimming these bangs. They are about 4 1/4 inches. That's a little bit long for me, but then it layers down into 7 inches. And the crown is also 7 inches on this, and it has this 4.75 inch nape. Nice length here. And again, oh gosh, this color is so fun, Icy Shadow. All right, on JONES, I think all you really need is some styling products on this. Now what I did is I took my wide tooth comb and I really got into here when I put it on. And I worked my comb through here. You've seen me do that a million times. Now I want to tell you, this fit me very, very large. I have a 21 1/4 inch head circumference, and this fit me very large. The coverage is, here's my bow hair. The ear tab fits me right here. Coverage here. But again, very, very large on me. Lots of permatease here. This is a basic cap. There is no lace front on this. You don't need a lace front. You've got these fun bangs, but there is a lot of permatease going on in here. So like I said, I got my wide tooth comb, and I like to just do that to release the fibers from the cap. That gives them some movement. Don't be afraid. Get your hands in there, pull it away, and really just make this, like I said, what it is, just fun. I have some sea salt spray, and I'm just gonna spray it through here and show you how to do that. Just separate these fibers. I do not want this to be fixed in any way. I want it to be just what it is, just fun. And you can just spray that all over, and you will get that separated, textured look. And there's so much texture in this wig. There's so much layering going on here. And just, I like the way this just flips out. I have not tried this wig before, so I was excited to get a chance to try it. Now, you can of course wear a headband with this. Put some behind your ears if you would like. A different look there. You could sleek it down a little just by doing that. Put it behind your ears. Run your hands through it and give it a more sleek look. I personally like this fun, messy look. So I'm just gonna do exactly what I did before. Run some of my hands through it, pull it away from the cap. You could put a little pin in this if you want, just to pin it back. Some styling options here. Like I said, this does not have a lace front. I just don't miss that on these wigs. When they have this bang, I don't feel like I need a lace front at all. A little clip on it, and you have this beautiful rooting there. Darken it up. Easy to manipulate these fibers and get some movement here. Really nice. Okay, let's talk about Icy Shadow. Now, like it implies, it's a very icy color, which I really enjoy, but it is dusted with some soft sandy brown, I would call it. If you can see it here, I will include some outdoor footage, but it has this little bit of sand running through here in Icy Shadow. That's one thing I really like. Then it all comes together on this golden brown root. And then the fun part of this wig, it is golden brown underneath as well. So you just get that hint of that dark brown underneath. On trend, fun. If you're looking at it from head on, you really don't notice it that much. It is there though, and I like that. I think it's really neat. If you pulled this back, which you could easily do, you would see the darker underneath. Okay, here's a look at the inside of the cap for Jones. Like I said, basic cap, lots of permatease here. No lace front. Has a good price point on this wig. Now it has open ear tabs, but notice how the fibers are sewn into the ear tabs. Open extended nape, hook adjusters, and I have brought this in, but I honestly need to bring it in more. It is very, very large, and there's a lot of stretch here. So if you have a larger size head, I really believe this will work. And I want to give you another look at Icy Shadow. Make sure you see the dark underneath. So fun. Such a beautiful color. I hope you enjoyed that look at Estetica Designs Jones and Icy Shadow. I love this color. I hope you'll have a look at it at wigstudio1.com. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell notification, as well as follow me over on Instagram, and I have a Facebook page, CrazyWigLady. I'll see you on all those platforms. Thanks so much, and I will see you next time.